even better thing. If you follow my 5-step plan of research, create, test, promote, and advance.
Hello everyone. This is, I am at Tyler McKeon, and this is the introduction to Group 1's final podcast for CSI. In this video, I will introduce each group member's individual citations and individual research, and I will come back on camera to conclude the podcast. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm Greg Fisher, and I'm here to teach you how to stay ahead of your competition. Doesn't matter what industry you're in, the music industry, the film industry, the stock industry, doesn't matter. You listen to me and you'll get ahead of all the other competitors. All that you need to do is follow my 5 easy steps to get ahead of the competition. Step number 1 is to know your industry. You need to find out everything about the industry. Who, what, when, why, everything. You need to know your industry inside and out. If you're in the stock industry, you better find out what they're made out of, who makes them, who buys them, what they're good for, what they're not good for. You need to find out everything about this industry. Now, since you have finished step 1 and you know your industry inside and out, now you need to do step 2, which is make a product that is groundbreaking, that is new and special, that everyone wants, that everyone needs in their household. Once you finish step 2 and you have your product, it's time to step 3. You need to test that product in every way with every kind of person. Once you're done testing, it's time to move on to step 4. Step 4 is to promote your product. When promoting your product, you need to let people know what's new and special about it. You need to know what makes it the best, what makes yours better than all the rest of the competitions. You need to make people want it. You need to make people throw out their old one to buy a new one. If you follow steps 1 through 4, then right now you've got a hit product on your hands. Now it's time for step 5, and step 5 is most important of staying ahead of the competition. You need to advance. As soon as that product hits the market and people are happy with it, you need to start thinking of a newer, even better thing. If you follow my 5-step plan of research, create, test, promote, and advance, you have no problem staying ahead of the competition.
Almost every aspect of the way people create, consume, and listen to popular music has changed throughout history, beginning with live performances to wax cylinders, RPM phonograph records, tapes, CDs, our new iPods, and even our internet. Technology is a major factor in determining which companies will become the new leaders. By being able to stay ahead and predict rising trends from new technologies, major conglomerates can find markets in which to compete. In order to evaluate how your company compares to its competitors, you will need to consider a variety of factors. Instead of spending hours figuring out how to fix prior circumstances, set your mind into developing future market scenarios, looking for potential shifts, and identifying how you can upend competitors. Most problems are created by competitors that require you to adjust what you do, not how well you do it. Also, study French competitors. French competitors show you how to use new technologies, new solutions, and new business models to change the marketplace, and how to reposition yourself for growth. Businesses get locked in and repeat their behavior, but repeating behavior, no matter how successful, allows competitors to predict your moves and makes it an easy target. Attack those things that keep you stuck in your ways so you become a moving, less predictable target. Disrupt the way you do things so you will try new and different approaches. This will open your organization to new growth opportunities. Don't ask customers for insight. Customers mostly tell you what they want. They won't tell you what competitors are doing to make breakthrough improvements, which leaves you wide open to competitor attack. Avoid cost cutting. Cutting costs weakens your ability to execute and eliminates resources to do new things. Run lots of tests. Get in the marketplace, try things, spend money, and use the feedback to adjust and compete better. Let tests pull you into doing what the market values and what competitors don't offer. Acquire lots of outside advice. Outsiders can point out what the market is looking for and how you should adjust to be a stronger competitor. Never miss an opportunity to ruin your competitor's day.
Well, there you have it. Group 1's final project. You heard and watched Greg Fisher's 5-step plan, Mitchell Jordan and his ideas on hybrids and the new technological advancements, and narrator's key points on factors about developing ideas based on the future need, not the current competition. Well, okay, you guys got the idea of staying ahead of the competition, right? Well, I wanted to pop the question, since, everyone will be watching the video. How can we make the MacBook better? And by we, I mean me, you, and everyone else in the world. How can we make the MacBook better? That's all I'm saying. And next, there'll be the citations, and then after that, there'll be the 3 students who didn't turn in work. Well, I have fun making this project, so yeah, later.